Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about bottom grate for Star Mfg part #2F-Y7140. Bottom grate for Star Mfg part #2F-Y7140 is a replacement part for Star Manufacturing's commercial griddles. It is made of heavy-duty stainless steel and is designed to fit the 2F-Y7140 model griddle. The bottom grate helps to evenly distribute heat across the cooking surface, ensuring that food is cooked evenly and quickly. It also helps to protect the griddle from damage caused by hot grease and other liquids that may be spilled on it during cooking. The bottom grate also helps to keep food from sticking to the griddle surface, making it easier to clean. This part fixes the following symptoms. The bottom grate for Star Mfg part #2F-Y7140 is used to replace a worn or damaged bottom grate on a Star hot dog roller grill. It helps to ensure that the hot dogs are cooked evenly and prevents them from sticking to the surface of the grill. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by ensuring that the area where the bottom grate will be installed is clean and free of debris. 2. Place the bottom grate in the desired location and mark the 4 mounting holes with a pencil or marker. 3. Drill 4 pilot holes into the marked locations using a drill bit that is slightly smaller than the screws provided with the bottom grate. 4. Insert the screws into the pilot holes and tighten them securely with a screwdriver or power drill. 5. Place the bottom grate onto the screws and press down firmly to ensure it is secure. 6. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.